Alright, hello guys, this is Joshua. It's our first time to have a tumble stone. So we have here our stone, we have here our tumbler. We're going to use this tumbler and right here the cover of the tumbler. So first we're going to put and find a beautiful stone that we have here. So we're going to open this. But yes guys, ito na. Ito guys, ito yung mga ita-tumbler natin for this video, for this one here. Look at this. Ano yan, napakaganda klaseng bato. Ito, green stone. Ayan siya. May yellow dito. Ganda nito. Yan, ito din guys. Ayan guys, napakaganda guys ng bato. So, and this is our first time to do tumbler stone. Here, another one. Look at this. Ganda yung mga bato natin dito guys. For the first time ito. Ayan siya oh. Ano klaseng mga bato yung ilagay natin dito sa loob. Ayan, lalabas muna natin. So, we're going to take a look at these stones. We are going to put inside our tumbler. Here, look at this guys. Ganda ng stone natin. Ito. First time to tumbler guys. Ito guys. Please subscribe for this video like this guys. And take a look at this. What's this? Red. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful stone. This one. What we have here. Yeah. So much more. Plenty of stone. You see? From here, yellow. There's a stone. Yeah, we have here this one's beautiful stone. So healthy. So here, I'm gonna put it here. So I put already the water. Meron na tayo nilagay na tubig dyan. And sisimulan na natin guys. Ito guys, una. Ayan, malalaki muna. Then put small ones. You see? Here, small ones. It's kinda heavy. Ayan, ang dami na. Ito, magandang stone. See guys, this red one, beautiful stone. Another yellow one. This one. See, this green, beautiful like this. Gemstone. Alright, so it's enough. Well, this maybe for later on the next batch. Okay, we got a lot here. Stone. So for this video, this tumbler, look at this. We're going to get some water. So cool. Right, there we go guys. So for the first tumbler, we're not going to use some powder for tumbling stone. So we're gonna try first to water only. Let's see. We'll try only water for this tumbler. For this, we call. So I made this tumbler. This is my we call that made tumbler. So also the cover. See, there's a foam, a rubber here. So we're going to try this. Right. Let's see how it works. We're going to lock now. Cover here. No. Right. Here we go. Right from that one, the bolt and the washer, and align first. Going to align this alignment, very much important. Okay, this is good. One. Right. Covering our tumbler. Lock. Homemade tumbler. Right, guys. So that's it. So homemade tumbler, guys. Here we go. We're gonna try to load this up. I put some epoxy here because there is leaking. There's no leak. This is good. Right. Let's go to the tumbler. See guys, I have made my own tumbling stone machine. Look at this guys, how I made it. Wow. Let's put this one. First time we'll make this and put this liquid tumbler here. So there we go. We're ready to go now. Wow, nice. Made it. See you guys. Oh. So we're gonna spend much time for this because this is the first time. So see you guys for the next video. And this is my homemade tumbling stone machine. Fitness. Right guys. So thank you for watching guys. See you for the next video. God be the glory.